Right, the poor old Stig, we abused it the other week, didn't we? I've been to France fixing the old classic Range Rover for a week, so I've had a week off, but we're back now, and this is we've just parked the Stig up when we were off-roading with the Shogun with Dave up north. And look, this was the damage we've done. We've done another sidebar. We did this last time, so I'm trying to work out. I mean, do we want sidebars to be stronger? Probably. We'll have a look what's failed on this, but you can see there it's in all sorts of bother, and probably all this stuff here that's clogged under here probably is an indication that I was probably going a bit close to something. So, but it's protected the car bodywork. It's probably pushed me away from a bank or a verge. So I'm quite happy that it's taken it. So we're going to look. So you've got two brackets that hold these on. Is what has broken, what has bent. Let's get on. Luckily we got air suspension, so let's get on and let's raise the suspension. Right, let's whip out the bar. So they're dead easy to remove. There we go, hold on. Oh, there you go, okay, that's one. Right, I got bored, I got my flash tool out. I'll whip them out in seconds. There you go. They're all the same, all 6 of these. Here we go. Right, let's see what we've got going on here then. Right, this should come off easier now. Right then.
Stone come out.
Stone come out. So yeah, we got some pretty fierce skidding and denting there. We got some mud in there. Let's have a look along the length of that. That's definitely got a bow in it, hasn't it? That's definitely got a bend in it. But I think we're all right. The brackets seem, that's all okay. My steps are okay, but the brackets, you know, the F front, and that, I think they're the genuine Land Rover ones. Yeah, that one's all good. That one's all good. Yeah. So we're all good there. So I think, all right, so I'm going to take the steps off, take a bolt out there. Bolt out there. Bolt out here.
They all look to be the same again.
They're all, it looks like, yep, they're all the same. So my something's come off there, but that's off the bar. The actual step plate is scuffed and scratched. He's got a little bit of a bow in him, maybe. But he's down there, tiny. He'll be all right. He's reusable. Right, I'll get the other one off. Put that. Let's see if we can get that off. So that's the bar. I'm going to replace the bar. He's got a hefty whack in him. The brackets are fine, and I think, other than needing a good wash, and we've had the paint off. We have designed a cover, a checker plate cover, to go over this section here. Let us know if you think that's a good idea, so that you won't damage this. Also, let us know if you want us to sell the bars, because I was wondering about getting the genuine kit and selling like one side or the other side, or the bar and the steps, because some people will bend the bars, some people will. So I'm quite happy to buy a kit from Land Rover and swap them, put all the bits on the website. Let me know. Right, I'm going to go in the warehouse and find another bar. Right, I've got it off. I'm going to have a go at painting these. Now I could mask it up, but it looks like it's not too hard to take these screws out. Right, and they've got these little caps that hold it on, but I wanted to do this on camera. It looks like they might be siliconed on or something. Hold on. Oh, it's giving up.
Wow,
Oh,
you can see it all.
you can see it giving up slowly. Oh, here we go. Right, I'll keep pulling this off. Right, there we go. So and it's even taken some of the paint off with it. So let me go and wash that step now. But you can see that's fairly flexible rubber. So I think we'll be able to glue that back on. So I'm going to have a go at paint. I was going to have a go at some silver wheel paint. See how we do. See how good a match it is. Right, I've given it another wash off. Got rid of all the dirt. I've just given it a little, use wet and dry. I've used a bit of wool. Just hopefully that'll take off most of the scratches. Just want to see what this does. Right. We did read it, didn't we? So it says for alloy wheels, and obviously this is an aluminium tread plate, so it should be quite good. Right, I'll get on and paint that, but it's not, doesn't look a bad match. Right, here we go. We have sprayed it with that wheel paint. Now, okay, it hasn't taken the gouges out, but generally it looks silvery and shiny. It doesn't look all worn and beaten, so for us that's going to do. Right, so we are going to glue these tops on. So we have got some of this Worth. We love this stuff. Worth Bond and Seal. It's fierce. Right, we're going to put a bit of this on. Ooh. Oh, it's grey. That's right. Look at that. It's colour coded.
You knew it was going to be like that.
All worked out, look.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, because, right, so that was the Land Rover one. Oh, it's got those bits, it's got to squidge through. Put them like that and get some weight on it. I think we'll be all right. This bit here should be okay because that tucks under the bar. I'll put a bit of something on it, but we'll get it sorted. And then we'll come back and we'll put a new bar on. Right, I've bonded the tops on, we've got them painted, time to reassemble. It's lifted a bit in this back corner, which I'm a bit disappointed, but actually it's held in place by the bar anyway, as we'll see in a minute. So actually I'm not that worried. So let's put those two down. Right, we've got our replacement bar, which we can put on here. Oh, I've got to get this the right way round. Right, there you go. We can bolt these back and then bolt these back on, and I reckon we'll be looking as good as new. So just line up the holes here with the holes in the plate below. Okay, I'm going to put, I've got keen, I'm going to put some copper grease on these, stop them rusting. Right, so there you go, that's all on. When you're doing these, there is a little bit of give in each one, so don't do one up tight until you got all the four in. We're all in and ready to go. And then let's get it lined up. So those bolts in the back are going to go into those two. That bolt underneath is going to go into that one. Let's get that round. There you go. And those rubber bits are trapped under the seal now. So that's good. Right, let me get that bolted on and then we'll have a look at that. Right, there we go. That is our sidestep quick fix done. Let us know if you want us to get the bars on the website, the genuine ones, or the steps if you scratch them. And let us know what you think. Should we make that checker plate cover that covers the silver bit, so that if you do scratch them, you can just put them on? But side steps, flipping brilliant for protecting the side of your car. Good luck.